Today, I don't want to teach you sentences. I just want to talk honestly. Do you know English did not change my life overnight? I used to feel nervous a lot. I used to feel shy. Even in the beginning, English made my life very harder. I knew that what I wanted to say, but English words were hiding from me. And I used to feel this a lot. But one day I realized English is not about being perfect. English is about expressing yourselves. Okay? English is about expressing yourself in a right way. Okay? So I started. I started somehow. And slowly I got a positive change. Slowly and naturally. Okay? I made a lot of mistakes. I started from small. I started to speak small English, like I started to make small sentences in English. And slowly, I got to know that the world didn't stop. I made a lot of mistakes, but I did not get any kind of punishment from anyone. Okay? That's a kind of positive thing from me. Sorry, that's a kind of positive thing for me. Okay? So I used to face this. Slowly, something changed. I stopped being scared of people. I stopped being scared of words. And earlier, I stayed quiet. But now, I try to speak. Earlier, I felt less. Now, I feel enough. So, I didn't just learn a language, I gained a lot of confidence. And I got to know that English is not about being perfect. English is about how we express our thoughts, how we express our emotions and feelings in English, and how we make our make sentences in a good structure or in a right structure. So it's all about this. It's not about speaking fast English, okay? Fluency is not about this. Fluency is about flow, okay? So you have to stop being scared of words like this. By English gave me courage to speak, to try, and to connect with people. It also helped me to share my ideas and thoughts with others. And I got to know English is not about being perfect. English is about making your fear small than English. Okay, right now I'm very confident enough to speak in English just because I made my fear smaller than English. Okay, that's why I gained the confidence and I got to know how to speak in public without any fear. Okay, without any kind of judgment or without any having fear of kind of judgment. Okay, so this is how I have learned English and this is how English changed my life. So if you are that kind of person who is thinking that my English is very weak or I am very weak in English and my pronunciation is very bad, I couldn't speak a single word in a good way in English, so watch this video because I faced these problems as a beginner, but I tackled these somehow, and right now I am confident enough. As you guys can see, I can speak in English whether I make mistakes or not, but I am trying to speak and I have improved a lot. Even I have brushed a lot my English, but still I am trying to improve and I have improved a lot. As you guys can see, I have completed 30 days course and still it's going on and we are trying to improve or escalate together. So if you are facing these kind of problems, so these are just a kind of pebbles in your in your path. Just avoid them as much as you can and continue your practice. Okay, so if you are watching this video, let me tell you a real truth. You don't need a perfect English to start a better life. You just need a brave English to start to better speak in English in your future. You just need brave English. Okay, just try to avoid your fear and try to decrease them as much as you can, and that's how you are going to learn English, and that's how you will learn English. If you will tackle these all problems at your own, definitely you will be fluent one day. Okay, definitely you will be fluent one day. So this is how English changed my life. Even I used social media a lot, still I am using to improve my English. So you can do this too. If I can, why can't you? You have your mobile phone, you know how to scroll reels, so invest your time on good things. Learn English while scrolling your mobile phone. That's all for today. Thank you for today.